What's up, guys? Welcome to Editors United, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to quickly green screen your images or videos on Adobe Premiere Pro. It's pretty quick and pretty simple. All you will need is just your your video clip that you want to green screen, and you can also have a background. Alright, so what we're going to do first, we're going to go ahead and put this clip up a layer higher and put the background behind it. Alright, and next let's go ahead and go to your effects, and let's go ahead and type in Ultra Key. You can also go down on your effects to video effects and keying, and let's go ahead and apply that to the actual clip we want to green screen. Alright, now once we have that there, let's scroll down on your where your source would be at up here to your effects controls, and then let's go ahead and change the key color. So you go down to the actual little syringe or eyedrop, and you would just click the green, and as you can see, we can see the background. If I didn't have this background back there, this background would be just black. And as you can see, it isn't exactly how we want the green screen to be. As you can see, there's still a little green there, so we can go ahead and change that default to like an aggressive, and voila. Usually, depending on your green screen, you can keep the default, or maybe you might want to go to relax. But if you aren't seeing it like you wanted to see it, you can go ahead and go to aggressive. And yeah, guys, that's a quick way to actually green screen on Adobe Premiere Pro. Super simple, super quick. And as you can see, I can do a little Dragon Ball Z and Star Wars little mix up. Also too, if you're still watching, you can also edit your green screen a little bit more than just your aggressive, default, and relax. You can also go down here to like your matte generation. Right now I have it on aggressive, so it's kind of already moved some of these numbers around, but you can even move those around even more. I can change that transparency up, I can change that highlight up or down. For matte cleanup as well, I can make the choke higher, I can soften it out a little bit. There's so many little different things you can do. So yeah, once you do green screen everything, you can then go to the actual menus under that, and you can actually edit that even more and make it even better. But yeah, guys, that was my quick tutorial on how to green screen. If you have any further questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, guys, hope all of you have a great day today. Cheers.